All right. Welcome to Soltide Forex. This is the best forex strategy for beginners. 9 EMA and 21 EMA setup. Welcome to Soltide Forex Academy. In today's video, we'll break down the moving average crossover strategy, how to trade it, and I'm going to use this slide. For you to understand how it trades. Let's dive in. Now, a moving average crossover. Let's see it here. A moving average crossover is this. A moving average crossover strategy. This is how it trades. I'll go to slide 2. Introduction. What is the moving average crossover strategy? It's a technical analysis method using two moving averages to help identify trend reversals and entry exit signal. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. So it helps you to identify trend reversal, entry and exit signal. That's what exactly it is. And strategy setup. Recommended moving averages is 9 EMA, which is the short EMA, and 21 EMA, which is the long EMA. Time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Pair, Euro US dollar. The reason we choose Euro US dollar is because it's the most liquid pair in the market at any particular moment. So a moving average crossover happens when a short-term moving average, which is 9 EMA, crosses over or under a long-term moving average. This event signals a potential change in market trend and is widely used by forex traders to identify entry and exit points. That's the major. To recognize and to assist them to know when the EMA crosses. Now, in our strategy, we use two exponential moving averages. They are indicators. They call them trading indicators. So, the 9 period EMA shown in yellow and the 21 period EMA shown in blue. The shorter EMA reacts quickly to price changes, while the longer EMA smoothens out the trend to remove false signals. That's the meaning. So you see buy signal. This is the chart setup. For a buy signal, you buy when 9 EMA crosses above 21 EMA. This is the 9 EMA. This yellow is the 9 EMA. Once it crosses above the blue EMA, which is 21 EMA, you buy, confirmed with volume or price action. So as shown in the screenshot, this is the Euro US dollar 15-minute time frame, taken directly from MetaTrader 4. The yellow line is the 9 EMA and the blue line is the 21 EMA. You can see it there. Let's take a closer look at how to interpret the crossover signals. You see this buy signal. A buy signal is generated. When they cross. A buy signal is generated when the yellow 9 EMA crosses over the blue EMA, 21 EMA. In this example, after a period of sideways, you can see the sideway. This is the sideway. We call it ranging market. After a period of sideway, the yellow EMA crosses over the blue EMA, which is 9 EMA, cross over the blue EMA, 21 EMA, above the 21 EMA at around You can see the time. That's the time. So this crossover indicated a bullish move, which was followed by a strong upward trend. You can see the upward trend. That's buy signal. Now, you have the sell signal. Conversely, a sell signal occurs when the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA. When the 9 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA. This typically signals the start of a downtrend. You can see the downtrend is going down. This one crosses over the blue. It signals the downtrend movement, selling. Always confirm with candlestick patterns or additional indicators to avoid false signals. This is the chart example. This chart example. This is MetaTrader 4 chart example that I'm showing you. So the pros and cons of this strategy setup: simple and effective for beginners. The clear entry and exit signals. It's not effective in ranging market. You can see it. I may produce false signals without confirmation. So that's why you need to check it and make sure it's already trending before you enter. In summary, the moving average crossover is a powerful strategy when used correctly. It's very, very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. Combine it with strong risk management and proper timing for the best result. Start practicing on a demo account before you go live. That is the best, simplest trading strategy setup for beginners. When we use this 9 EMA, you can see it. When we use this 9 EMA, is because it's fast. Because it's fast. We can also use 50 EMA and 200 EMA, but that is for day traders or intraday traders, people who want to trade for 2 days, 3 days. But for day trader who wants to trade from morning to evening, the best bet is 15, 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Soltide Forex Trading Academy YouTube channel for more strategies, tips, and expert advice. I'm also developing some EAs, expert advisors, for all this trading. So if you subscribe, we can give you some EA for testing, put on your demo, and you can let us know how it trades. Thank you. Thank you, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Soltide Forex. Bye.